sure hope Keikos finds his tape measure. Welcome to WB Fine Woodworking. I'm Don Bullock. I don't know about you, but I can never find my tape measure in my shop. I even resorted to buying these. I thought maybe the bright color would help. Of course, when do I need a 25-foot tape measure in my workshop? Recently, someone else turned me on to a great tape measure. Check it out. Now that Sean Stone over at Stone & Sons Workshop sent me one of their tape measure clips, I can keep one on my shop apron. So there you have it, 9-foot DeWalt tape measure. I keep it over here on my table saw all the time. And as you saw, I have them on other machines as well. If you like this video, please remember to hit the thumbs up down below. Thank you all who have subscribed to our channel. We greatly appreciate that and hope some of you will subscribe today. Thank you very much for watching.